Aw, what a happy little family photo. Guess who just flew in on her broomstick? Of course, there are plenty of nice stepmothers, but I don't think she's one of them. Don't worry, Mama's here, and she's got a few tricks up her sleeve. If she's not afraid of spiders, well, she is now.
Wow!
Now we're just gonna borrow this pallet. Maybe a few while we're at it.
Phew.
This looks like a job for your handy-dandy power drill. It's okay, just go to your corner. Maybe a snack will calm you down. On second thought, we can use them to make just the right paint colors. I guess white does go with everything.
Yes!
It's time to get painting. And voila! Guess witches aren't all cat people. Aw, poor toy. Don't worry, we'll give it a second chance. Just grab the old stuffing inside and staple it down into a nice, soft cloud wall.
Wow!
Stepmom's not the only one with a pet. This is for you, toys. Guess she won't be using this anytime soon. Well, waste not, want not. Let's take it. Can't keep a pool inside, so make it a ball pit.
Yay!
Ooh, what pretty flowers, and so fragrant. And more importantly, what great tissue paper. We're gonna need to make some cuts.
Yay!
Now we've got brand new fringe curtains. Just make a few to hang up on top.
Wow!
Let's see what else we can borrow. A pool noodle, always great for crafts. Like making your own personal rainbow. But these walls could use a little something. Ooh, like this old toilet seat. Well, at least she didn't fall in. Let's hope she cleaned it first. But now, wrap soft tulle around it. Some clips should keep it in place. And don't forget to decorate. Hang up your new fold-out tray. Perfect for a tea set and candy dish. And while she's distracted, let's take some towels.
Ew!
Oh, she can keep this one. After all, it's her dog's favorite. Now let's lay down the others.
Yay!
And start cutting them up into a bunch of strips. Now braid them together. Until it's all just one really long braid.
Yay!
Now roll them up into a circle. Place it on the floor of the fort. And it's the softest seat in town. Ooh, snack time! What a great idea! Should be enough.
Phew!
A little more wouldn't hurt either.
Nah.
Now take a long string of thread. And hang up these gummy bears as your new bead curtains. Or bear curtains.
Yay!
Wow, balloons! Save your breath.
Yay!
When we've got a pump right here. And something tells me she's full of hot air. What a big balloon! Let's add some glue. Now cover with some toilet paper. When it dries up, poke the balloon. Now let's make it nice and frilly. A few finishing touches.
Pika pika!
And it's a Pikachu piñata.
Pika!
And what's a piñata without candy? What's that smell? Ooh, fried eggs. You know, you're supposed to crack them. Here, let's show you. Calm down, it's good for hair. Meanwhile, we can use this pan.
Yay!
Paint a big black circle right inside. Decorate with some candies around the rim. Now it's our chalkboard welcome sign.
What?
Time for a quick mirror check. Ugh, you got a little something. It looks like clay. Roll it up into a ball. A few more, and it's a flower. Soon your mirror has its own garden. Uh-oh, now what's she up to?
Wow! Oops!
Oh no! She broke that doll in half! Oh, the doll-manity! She's half the girl she used to be. Well, why don't we give her a paint job? Piece by piece. And they'll give you a hand, or leg, to hold whatever you need. Hey, watch out for that mob!
Uh-huh.
You know, we could actually use a bunch of these.
Wow!
Tape them up around the handles.
Yay!
And cover it up with tulle. It's a canopy. And it's even got lights. Guess we earned a break. Oh, inspiration strikes. Let's lay this board down on its side. Add a tube through some of the push pins. And separate the rest with some blocks. Give it a clear cover and pour in some candy. Don't worry, they come out eventually. Now some soda for the tube. Just make sure to keep your cup ready. Soda's a terrible thing to waste.
Yay!
It's time for the big unveiling. Look, it's your brand new fort.
Uh-huh.
First things first, who wants candy?
Wow!
And you'll want something to wash it all down.
What?
You can draw whatever you want.
Wow!
But yeah, don't eat those gummy bears. Anyway, let's look inside. I think she likes it. Ooh, let's try on these accessories. Looking good, and so is this mirror. And since you're all dressed up,
Wow.
let's have a mini tea party. And don't forget to look on top,
Hey, what?
or you'll miss the ball pit. And we didn't forget our piñata. Okay, maybe a little harder.
Yeah.
Almost there. And we've got candy. Wow, you really hit the jackpot. And it's so nice and cozy in here. Though it could sure use a waste bin. Either way, what makes it all worth it is all that candy.